Once logged into STEMSIMS, and after selecting the acceleration simulation, complete the following steps. Select the black car on the left side of the screen. Choose a speed of 0 meters per second. Select an acceleration of 2 meters per second squared, and observe the motion of the car. Answer lesson questions QA and QB. Select the Restart Simulation button. Answer question QC in the lesson. Again, select the black car on the left side of the screen. Choose a speed of 0 meters per second. Select an acceleration of 6 meters per second squared. Again, observe the motion of the car. When the simulation finishes, select the Display Data Graphs button. Choose the View Speed graph. Answer question QD in the lesson. Use the graph to complete Table 1 in the lesson. Answer question QE in the lesson. Complete Table 2 using the speed equation. Create a graph of distance versus elapsed time using the data in Table 2. Answer questions QF and QG in the lesson. And finally, answer all of the What Do You Understand questions appearing in the lesson.